Hello, good day guys. So for today's tutorial, I will be showing to you how to set up Cloud AI inside the Excel application. And without further ado, let's open the Excel. Actually, it's already open. Then I will select the blank workbook, and we are here already inside the workbook. And let's go here and the add-ins. Click this one and search for Cloud. Sorry, Cloud. Cloud like that. But first, you need to have an account in the Cloud AI. So if you have already a Cloud, so you can go here immediately. So you can try the trial or you can purchase a premium account in Cloud AI. And after that, you need to log in your account. So I will log in first. It's much faster if you will connect the account in your Gmail. Connected with my account, and I will just click the authorize button to allow the connection, and you need to select what best describes your role. So of course I will select engineering and next, and okay, I will select next, and I understand. Okay, so you already set up the code inside the Excel. Okay, now we try to build an estimator of the concrete and the rebar, specifically the column element. Okay, let's try here. Create spreadsheets of the column estimator, both concrete and reinforcement. Use metric units and PHP currency. And let's wait the response of Claude. The good thing here, Claude will automatically update the worksheets here. So what type of column estimator do you need? So Claude is asking. So let's choose both types. Okay. And what level of detail should the estimator include? Detailed with costing, full with labor. Let's choose this one. And for the columns, multiple columns, 5 rows. Okay, let's write a single column only. Okay, Claude wants to clear section headers to reorganize. Okay, we allow dangerously always allow. So anyway, we will allow this one. Okay, just allow. The second option. Of course, you need to save it after you updating the spreadsheets. And for the circular, let's try to 0.35. It's automatically updated. Yeah, guys, this is good. You can use it, and I will upload it in the website of Artsipeda Engineering Services for free. You can download it there, guys. And by the way, you can avail the artist tool for free, guys. Just download it and register your name. Just go here, Artsipeda Engineering Services, and click download and download this one. And you can see and after you download, I think, sorry, after you downloaded the files, you can install it and register your Gmail account. And you can see this is the interface of our application. Okay, so that's also for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you and God bless.